Assalamu alaikum student of class 8th. There's a chapter named Adventure of Dying Detective. Now class, take out your copies and start writing the work. In this lecture I'll provide you all of the notes of this chapter, okay? First topic is words meaning as usual. So put the heading of words and meaning. First word is cab, and the meaning is a horse-drawn carriage for hire. Second word is contagious, and the meaning is disease spread by person to person. Number third is gaunt, lean and looking unwell. Number fourth is grudge, and the meaning is a persistent bad feeling. Number 5 is innocently, constantly. Number 6 is infallibly, so the meaning is incapable of failing. Number 7 is listlessly, and the meaning is lacking energy. Number 8, malicious, with intended harm. And number 9 is murmuring, meaning is law. Number 10, resolutely, so the meaning is with determination. Now start with the next page, students. Short question and answer heading. Question number 1, who told Dr. Watson that Holmes was ill? And the answer is Sherlock Holmes landlady told Dr. Watson that Holmes was ill. Question number 2, where does Culverton Smith usually live? Question mark. And the answer is Culverton Smith usually live in Sumatra. Question number 3, who was waiting outside Holmes' house and what signal was he waiting for? Question mark. And the answer is Inspector Morton was waiting outside Holmes' houses. He waiting for the light to be turned on. Now start with the next page, students. Put the heading of descriptive question at the top of the page. Question number 1, who had sent Holmes the ivory box and what was in it? Question mark. And the answer is the box had come by anonymous post, but it was from Culverton Smith. Full stop. It had a spring inside that was designed to draw blood and infect anyone who opened it. Second question, why did Mr. Culverton Smith wanted to kill Holmes? Because Holmes had murdered his nephew Victor Savage. Question number 3, where did Watson hide and why did Holmes need him there? Answer, Watson hid behind the head of the bed, Holmes needed him these so that he could witness Calverton Smith confession. So, now student of class 8, these are the three descriptive question and answer. So you have to copy it down and start with the next page. The next topic is reference to contest. Okay, put the heading of reference to contest. Next page, put the heading and then the text. The best way to successfully acting a part is to be. Question number 1. From which chapter this line has been taken and who is the author? Question आया, question mark, and the answer is this line has been taken from the chapter The Adventure of Dying Detective, and the author is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And the question number 2 is who is speaking? Question mark, answer Sherlock Holmes is the speaker. Question number 3, what part has he been acting? And the answer is he has been acting the part of a very ill man who is close to death. So these are the 3 question and answer regard with the reference to contest. Start with the next page, student. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was a British writer and dash physician. Second question, Sherlock Holmes' landlady told Dr. Watson about the illness. So the blank is Dr. Watson. Number 3, Calverton Smith usually live in dash Sumatra. Number 4, Inspector Morton was waiting outside the Holmes for the light to be turned on, and the blank is Inspector Morton. Number 5, Holmes had murdered Mr. Calverton Smith nephew. Over here the blank is the nephew. So student, what you have to do, you have to complete your work and kindly bring your copies for correction on every Tuesday. We, the teachers of Gulistan Boys Secondary School, are available over there from 9 to 12:30 timing. You may come. If you need to ask anything regarding my text, you may come and ask me. And regard with the monthly test, student, if you are having any inquiry regarding it, you may come and ask me. Today 2 of my students come to me and asked me regarding the test, so they had given me the text over there in the school in my own laptop. So if you are having such type of inquiry, you may come and ask me, because the link was not opening that day because there is heavy rainfall and there were electricity problem as well, student. So what you have to do, you need any assistance, you may come. We, the teachers, are available over there. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to complete your work and bring your copies on Wednesday. We will be there, and stay blessed and stay healthy.